channel. This time we will tell you how to make slime with easily available ingredients. So let's begin. So the things needed are some water, food coloring, any color of your choice, some salt and any flour. So let's begin. The first thing you will need is some water. So add some water in a bowl. And then add some food coloring to it. So I think this will be enough. And then let's mix it. Yeah, this is the perfect color that I want. So now you will need some salt. Only a pinch will work. Yeah. So let's mix it. Now you will need some flour. Mix it. We will add some more. Mix it. We will keep adding flour until it gives a perfect texture. Now we will add some water in it. Now we mix it. Add some oil in it. You can see it is becoming slimy now. You need to mix it until it becomes like this. And then cover it and put it aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cover it tightly so that no air enters it. Our 15 minutes are over, so let's open it. Let's look at this. Oh wow! Our slime is ready now and you can play with it. Thank you for watching and please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.